sometimes you just get tired. I think I just want to do nothing and just read. I literally want to do nothing.
Do you know what is depression? Depression is more than feeling sad. Some symptoms are not as obvious, such as losing interest in your favorite hobbies or activities. They also feeling tired all the time. They also not eating enough or eating too much. They also having oversleeping or having trouble sleeping. They also having trouble concentrating or remembering. Depression can also making or other physical symptoms worse. Some people with depression also have the anxiety. An anxiety attack is a feeling of overwhelming oppression, worry, distress, or fear. The common symptoms of an anxiety attack are feeling faint or dizzy, shortness of breath, dry mouth, sweating, chills or hot flashes, apprehension and worry, restlessness, distress, fear, and numbness or tingling.
Depression is not just a sadness. Depression is weight that keeps you in bed. While sadness is a tangible feeling, depression can feel empty, like nothing at all. Depression and sadness can sometimes look alike, but while it's easier to talk about what is making us sad, depression can be unexplainable and leave us silent. In the end, depression keeps you stuck. Fun cannot fix it. Instead, it isolates you from what you love.
There is this hadith of black lady who used to have seizure of epilepsy or someone, so that she came to Rasulullah and said to him, Ya Rasulullah, I get seizure, so pray to Allah that Allah can cure me from this seizure. So Rasulullah said to her, I will do that as you wish, I will pray, and you will be cured with the grace of Allah. But there is another alternative, is that I will not pray for you, and you will get Jannah as a reward. So then the woman looked at the pros and cons and said, no, of course, Jannah is far greater than be cured. So she said to Rasulullah, alright, don't pray for Allah to cure me, because I would rather go to Jannah. But is it possible that you ask Allah whenever I have seizure, I am not exposed and my aura is not revealed? So Rasulullah did. So this hadith is an indication that even Rasulullah recognized a mental illness and you have to take care of it. So for someone who is chronically ill, say, no, I don't want medication, I want Jannah like that woman. No, because it was different, because at first she's coming to Rasulullah for Allah's help. But this is miracle because Rasulullah said, if you wish, I could do that, but I will direct you something is better, which if you are patient, Allah will grant you Jannah. So there is an ayat al-Quran which means that, and whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed, he will have a depressed life. Most people will easily misinterpret that with zikrullah and so on, the depressed will go away. Yes, it's true, but kalimah bangka in this ayah is referred to the feeling of stress or tension, but not for clinical depression, which is a chronic level of stress. And this is not just a feeling, it was an illness. So illness cannot be cured by just a zikrullah, because it is a calmness, not a cure. And there is another ayat al-Quran which means that by the remembrance of Allah, your heart will be assured. And yes, it's true. But we must understand that calmness is temporary. It is not a cure. Because illness, as another disease, we have to treat it accordingly. Go for psychiatrists, go for psychologists, find help, find cure, treatment or whatsoever. But still, we have to remind ourselves that we still have to be patient and remember, this is the test from Allah. And Islamic element is not a cure. It is a complement to a treatment.